Good morning. Today I want to speak in English. I am looking at a beautiful picture. In this picture, there is a girl. She is wearing a blue dress. She is holding an umbrella. It is raining today. The rain is soft and nice. The girl is standing on a stone path. The path is wet. She has a basket in her hand. There are strawberries in the basket. The strawberries are red and fresh. They look very sweet. The girl is picking a blue flower. The flower is very beautiful. There are yellow flowers too. The flowers look fresh in the rain. There is a river beside the path. The water is calm. I can see ducks in the river. The ducks are swimming. There is a stone bridge over the river. The bridge looks old but strong. There are many green trees around. The place looks very peaceful. The girl looks happy. She is enjoying nature. I like this picture. It makes me feel calm. I am learning English every day. I am not afraid to speak. I speak slowly and clearly. I make mistakes and it is okay. English is easy for me. I practice every day. Thank you. Have a nice day.